Rahavi. I am studying 8th standard. Noun is a word used as the name of a person, place, or thing. Example: person, Akbar, place, Chennai, thing, computer, animal, dog.
I am M. Saktiver. I am studying 8th standard. Pronoun. Pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Example: I, we, you, he, she, it, they, me, us, him, her, them. I am J. Jessica. I am studying 8th standard. Verb is a word used to express an action or state. Example: come, read, speak, write, learn, am, is, have, had. I am Yashtish. I am studying 8th standard. Adverb is a word that describes or modifies a verb or adjective or another. Adverb. Example: very, beautifully, cleverly, quickly, quite, possibly, never, after. I am studying 8th standard. Adjective. Adjective is a word that describes or modify a noun. Example: beautiful, intelligent, good, bad, clever, pretty, honest, some, great, large. I am P. Rahavi. I am studying 8th standard. Preposition. Preposition is a word placed before with noun or pronoun to show the relation of the noun or a pronoun to something else. Example: in, of, at, on, by, for, from, out, to, up, with, about, into, etc. I am S. Chandru. I am studying in 8th standard. Conjunction. Conjunction is a word used to join words or sentence. Example: and, but, because, so, or, so, still, if, as, before, though, neither nor, so that, either, or. Example: hash brown.